Are you tired of the gym drama, waiting for machines, dodging sweaty crowds, or cringing at those awkward locker room moments? Fear not, fitness warriors. Welcome to the world of home gyms, where your biggest opponent is the urge to snack while binge-watching your favorite show. In today's video, we'll take a look at some of the best home gyms that transform your living room into a sweat sanctuary. Get ready to ditch the commute and embrace the convenience, all while working out in your pajamas. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Fitvids Workout Equipment, our pick for best budget home gym. Are you ready to transform your home into a wallet-friendly fitness haven? Meet Fitvids Workout Equipment, your new workout sidekick that's here to help you crush your fitness goals without breaking the bank. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this isn't just any exercise gear. It's the superhero of home gyms with a user weight limit of 400 pounds and a total capacity of 1,000 pounds. Forget flimsy equipment that crumbles under pressure. This bad boy features nylon-coated aircraft-grade cables that passed a grueling 1,000-pound test. Solid, right? The high and low pulley system comes with a whopping 15 pulleys, making those workouts smoother than your favorite smoothie while you engage your lats, arms, and core like a champion. And let's be real, who wants to deal with clunky equipment sounds? With steel shaft pulleys and high-strength steel wire ropes, your workouts will be as quiet as a ninja's stealth mode. Perfect for groans of effort without anyone raising an eyebrow. Ready to tackle those lats and show off your power? Grab the detachable lat bar and low row bar, complete with foam handles that feel like a supportive cloud embracing your palms. Boasting a 122.5-pound vinyl weight stack that offers resistance up to 330 pounds, this home gym caters to everyone, whether you're just starting or you have a lifting reputation to uphold. Level up your fitness journey with Fitvids and turn every inch of your home into a muscle-building paradise. Number 4. Sportsroyals Workout Station, our pick for best sturdy and stable home gym. Are you ready to transform your home workouts into a fit-tastic adventure with the Sportsroyals Workout Station? This isn't just any gym setup, it's your personal launchpad to a fabulous new lifestyle. Weighing in at a hefty 108 pounds, this beast of a fitness station means business, providing the stability you crave while you crush those fitness goals. No wobbling under pressure here. Made from tough alloy steel, it's designed to handle your most intense sweat sessions. With a staggering array of over 50 exercises available, from chest presses that make you feel like a superhero to leg extensions that'll have you strutting your stuff. You'll never face a dull workout again. But wait, there's more. With a built-in 154-pound weight stack, you can effortlessly adjust as your strength skyrockets. No more fumbling with weights and wasting precious time. And let's talk comfort. The adjustable backrest and cushy pads ensure that you'll feel fabulous while you sweat. Who says getting fit has to hurt? Whether you're sculpting the body of your dreams or simply trying to maintain your awesome physique, the Sportsroyals Workout Station has your back. Get ready to unleash your inner fitness ninja and let those gains roll in. You've got this. Still searching for the perfect home gym? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Marcy Workout Station, our pick for best convenient home gym. Are you ready to transform your home into a personal fitness haven? Meet the Marcy Workout Station, your new favorite roommate that won't eat your snacks. Weighing in at 271.2 pounds of pure steel muscle, this powerhouse is built to last and keep your gains intact. With its heavy-duty construction and reinforced guard rods, you can finally lift without the fear of that weight rack falling over. Speaking of weights, the impressive 150-pound selectorized weight stack adjusts to your skills, making it easier to avoid the hassle of loading and unloading weights, because who has time for that? But wait, there's more. The dual-action press arms are here to cater to your fitness fantasies. From chest presses to vertical butterflies, Sculpting those biceps and triceps has never been simpler. And if you're craving some serious bicep isolation, the removable curl pad is adjustable, tailored just for you. Training at home has never felt so good. With a sleek design and a space-efficient layout, this gym station combines all the arm and leg stations you could need to unleash your superhero potential. It's not just about pumping iron. This workout machine helps you burn calories, build lean muscle, and feel incredible. So why stick to those boring gym trips when a total body workout awaits right at home? Your future self will thank you. Number 2. SincMill Workout Equipment, our pick for best multifunctional home gym. Are you ready to revolutionize your home workouts with the ultimate multifunctional gym? Meet the SincMill Workout Equipment, your new best friend on the fitness journey, and yes, it only comes in sleek black because who needs distractions when you're breaking a sweat? Crafted from high-quality thick steel, this beast doesn't just handle your weight, it embraces it like a tightly knit gym buddy. No need to worry about bending or breaking under pressure. This robust frame is built to conquer your fitness dreams. With a tension level of 148 pounds, you'll be pushing limits and building muscle in no time. But wait, there's more. The innovative leg exercise pedal invites you to engage more muscle groups than your average equipment, say goodbye to boring workouts, and hello to a dynamic, full-body fitness experience. It's like having a personal trainer that never takes a day off. Whether you want to tone those legs, bulk up your biceps, or just flex your determination, this gym has got your back. So clear some space in your home, grab your determination, and let's turn that living room into a launch pad for your fitness goals. Get ready to sweat, smile, and show off those gains with the SincMill Workout Equipment, where every rep brings you closer to the best version of yourself. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. SunHome Workout Station, our pick for best home gym overall. Are you ready to elevate your home workout game to a level that would make even your personal trainer envious? Enter the SunHome Workout Station, a powerhouse of fitness that brings the gym to your living room. With a sleek black design and robust alloy steel construction, this beast measures 96.85 inch by 55.12 inch by 86.61 inch. Perfect for unleashing your inner fitness warrior without sacrificing style. And let's talk about that adjustable 138-pound weight stack. 1 minute you're feeling light, the next you're channeling your inner Hercules, all without the hassle of lugging around clunky weights. This all-in-one marvel accommodates an impressive array of exercises, from chest presses that pump up those pecs to leg extensions that make your quads scream, in a good way, of course. You'll be sculpting arms, backs, and legs while basking in the comfort of your own space. What's the cherry on top? The dual action press arms let you seamlessly transition from chest press to vertical butterfly. No awkward position changes required. Plus, with heavy-duty construction designed to withstand any sweat sesh, it's the perfect partner for your fitness journey. So, are you ready to crush your fitness goals without leaving the house? Say goodbye to gym memberships and hello to your new favorite workout buddy. The only thing missing from this home gym? You, conquering every rep like the legend you are. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best home gyms. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which home gym you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.